Struggling to share a OneDrive file? Do you keep clicking around but can't find the share button? Here is the exact 4-step method to give access instantly. No more digging through menus or sending confusing emails with attachments that are too big. I am going to show you the fastest way to get this done. In this tutorial, I will walk you through each step. We are going to start by clicking the File menu, then selecting Share, entering the email, and finally sending the invite. It is really that simple. Let me show you exactly how it looks on screen. So to get started, the first thing you want to do is locate the file you want to share. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, even a video. Find it in your OneDrive folder, either online or in File Explorer. Now, the key here is finding the 3-dot menu button. In my experience, this is the button people miss all the time. It is usually right next to the file name or at the end of the row. It looks like a small circle with 3 horizontal dots inside. Or sometimes it is just 3 dots in a vertical line. Click that. This is the action menu for your file. It holds almost everything you can do to that specific document, including sharing, renaming, moving, and so on. So click those 3 dots. Now, from that menu, you're going to look for the option that says Share. It is usually near the top of the list. I have tested this on multiple accounts, and it is always right there. Click on Share. And here is the really important part. A new window or a side panel is going to pop up. Do not get distracted by all the options in this panel. It can look a little overwhelming at first, but we are only going to use one specific area. There is a box at the top that says Add a message or add a name or email address. That is where we are heading next. So now, type the email address of the person you want to give access to. Make sure it is their full email address. A common pitfall here is accidentally typing a partial address or picking the wrong contact from the autofill list. Double check it. You can also type a quick message in the box below if you want, like, "Here is the report you asked for," or just "Take a look at this." It is optional, but it is nice, and it helps the recipient know why they are getting the file. And one more thing. There's usually a drop-down that says Can Edit right next to the email box. If you only want them to view the file without making changes, change that to Can View before you send it. I usually leave it as Can Edit if I am actively collaborating, but for a simple share, it is your call. All right, now for the final step. Once the email is in and your message is written, if you want one, just click the blue Send button. That is it. The recipient will get an email with a direct link to the file. They do not need to download anything. They just click the link and it opens right in their browser. This might take a moment to process, especially if the file is large, but usually it is instant. And that is all there is to it. From feeling stuck and not knowing where to click, you are now able to grant access to anyone in just a few seconds. No more emailing large attachments, no more confusion. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.